So here's a tip for my friends in the United States of America. For some Canadians who continue to use imperial without ever using anything metric, and of course for my good friends in Liberia. Here's why you might want to use metric, maybe just from time to time. I have a group of boards. Some of them are here in the photo, others are downstairs, and I want to make them into a tabletop. And the next step in the process is to thin them all down to the same thickness. Now, I'm used to using imperial, and I could start measuring these things as an inch and a sixteenth or 7/8 and the rest of it. But metric is so much easier to use in this context. And if you get used to it, maybe in a bunch of other contexts. But here's what I've done. I've taken my calipers, and instead of looking at the imperial scale, I jotted down what their measurements were in metric. And you can see that they're here in 29 millimeters, a little more than 27 millimeters, etc., etc. I'm going to take them down to my thickness planer, and I'm going to start with the thickest of them and trim them down till I get them all to the same thickness. Doesn't really matter what it is, as long as all the boards are the same thickness. This is so much easier to do in metric than it would be in imperial. So that's what I have to tell you for now. Bye from me. And don't forget, make a little time for your passion, and if you can share it, even better.